Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Nasty Addiction Garage. Today, we're gonna go over some parts that are gonna ship out to the UK, guys, to ABC Carbon, guys. This guy is phenomenal with his carbon fiber parts and carbon fiber skinning. This guy has done all my carbon fiber parts so far for the 3VZ FTE, guys. Remember, this is gonna be something you've only seen here on YouTube at the Nasty Addiction channel, guys. So remember, you stay tuned. Like, share, subscribe, and let's get this done, guys, so you can see what I'm sending out. Let's go. Guys, check out this. These are all the parts that are gonna be shipped out to the UK, guys. All these parts. So we have the I guess the rocker panel, the inner portion of the, I don't know what you want to call these, the door stills, I guess. We have the 3VZ timing belt cover. It's gonna be carbon fibered. We have the pillar is gonna be carbon fiber. The trunk plastic that kind of sits right over the lights, over the cookie lights. This here sits right over the rear windshield on the interior. This goes on the bottom portion of the rear window on the interior. I know you guys see this. You guys are saying this is already carbon, but it's not the pattern that I want. I got these both from Campos, guys. You want to make sure you guys check out Campos Composites. He does take a little bit to ship. Remember, he's a one-man show, guys. Remember to check him out. I can put the links in the description down at the bottom, but let's continue. We do have this piece. This is the lower steering wheel column, I guess you would call it. We have the door speaker plastic covers, I guess you're gonna call it. We do have a couple of other things inside here that I have not shown, but we do have like the handles. We do have the bottom portion of the 3VZ timing belt cover, so it's going to be this portion right here. You guys are probably saying, why the hell do I want to carbon fiber that? But my OCD does not let me. I got a vent there and another piece there that goes to the bottom portion of the glove box. I do have to get the glove box door done as well, which is not included here because I have not taken it apart, but you guys can see is right back here, as you see. That is just a film that I bought from eBay that looks carbon fiber that you put on there, but it's not too bad. It looks good, but I want it real carbon. So this is it, guys. This is what's going to be shipping out. This is just a real quick update, just to let you guys know what's the next move in the Nasty Addiction garage. And remember, guys, you only seen it here on YouTube, so this is going to be parts that are going to be sent out to carbon fiber. It's going to be great, guys, because when these parts come back, I technically would have all the parts made and done for this car. And the crazy thing is that at that point, the only thing left to do is paint, because right here, this motor is complete. This motor is complete. We just have to throw it in here, guys. But of course, we have to do it all done the right way and in the order that I like. So what's gonna happen is we're gonna shave this engine bay. We're gonna paint this black, shave this all back here as well. We are also going to paint the front end black as well, and shave that down completely as well. We do have our fuel tank here. I do need to buy I believe it's Racer X that has a fuel hanger that needs to be put on into this, guys. We have plenty of work still to do on this car, so please stay tuned, guys. This is just a real quick update on what's going on with these parts and where they're going, guys. Remember, you guys only seen it here on YouTube. Carbon fiber. So let's say this correctly. Hex carbon fiber for these parts, guys. This is gonna be the first time anybody has done that on an MR2, to my knowledge, guys, and it's only gonna be seen here on Nasty Addiction Garage, guys. So remember, stay tuned for this series. This is gonna be a multiple series episode, or I guess, yeah, multiple series topic or install and reveals, I guess, because this is going to take some time. This definitely takes some time to do and get done, so we want to make sure that we document as much as we can, guys. I want to make sure I put it on YouTube for my YouTube family so they can see exactly what we're doing here in Nasty Addiction Garage. We don't like to put anything behind curtains. We like to show everything up front and done appropriately, guys. So again, thank you very much, guys. This is Nasty Addiction Garage. These are carbon fiber, the pre-carbon fiber hex carbon fiber parts for the 3VZ SW20, only seen here at Nasty Addiction Garage's YouTube channel, guys. So make sure you guys stay tuned, guys. All right, thanks. Alright guys, that concludes today's WGO at the Nasty Addiction Garage, guys. What you guys just seen are parts that are going to be shipped out to the UK to ABC Carbon, guys. This guy does phenomenal work. I will leave his links down below, guys. He does have an Instagram, he does have a Facebook, guys. Tell him Jeremy sent you from Nasty Addiction Garage, and make sure you only stay tuned here on the Nasty Addiction Garage. Make sure you like, share, subscribe, guys. I greatly appreciate it. Make sure you check out all of the merch, the Teespring account for Nasty Addiction Garage, guys. It is in the description. I will have all the links down below, guys. Thank you again. Remember, take care of each other. Peace.